talk entryways or mudrooms, or what is your highest traffic in and out of the house area? Ours is a mudroom. With 2 young children and 2 dogs, I needed a system in place to get them in and out of the door more efficiently. I needed a system to where their everyday needs were in one spot. Otherwise, it's wasted money sitting in the corner of their closet or lost or mismatched shoes. Who knows? I mean, moms, they don't come with instruction manuals. I mean, one kid can easily function with this, and then you have to buy a whole new or think outside of the box for the other one. So I needed something that would keep the tornado that is children in one spot, that they can be responsible and somewhat independent to put their own shoes away, to put their backpacks up, go wash their hands, get that routine system when we come in the house. I don't want all the elements outside tracked through the house that comes in with them. So we chose a hall tree that has a shoe bench, cubby holes, hooks, and storage on top. I wanted to maximize vertically. I wanted something durable that can withstand the elements and withstand kids, animals. So with this one, I have the hall tree because it has all of it. I chose John Lewis Home because, one, it is made of solid wood, so it's easy to clean. It will not warp. I needed something because shoes. Shoes bring in elements. Do I want something that warps and bubbles after one season? Absolutely not. I don't want to have to do this over and over. So I chose John Lewis Home because I can adjust these to make boots or keep them all segmented if we have more. Currently, we've got rain boots and regular boots, so we took them out. And they're lying flat underneath so they don't get lost or who knows what, used for who knows what type of imaginative play. So shoe bench here. This bench cushion is amazing. You can just take off. It has the zipper and everything else. You can take it off, throw it in your washer on delicate, and bam, all clean again. I have so many different hooks. And right now, we used to have like 2 extra winter coats on there, and it easily fit. I kind of cleaned it out because technically it is spring. And then I got the 3 mini cube spots for all of their little accessories that can easily change throughout the season. But for now, I have what we use on a daily basis. The rest, their winter coats, I put away, but they can still access when it might snow in 2 weeks because we're in the Midwest. So we see a lot of different elements, and we can see all 4 seasons within a week. Mother Nature never gets the memo that spring technically started. But I did want to do a little bit of spring cleaning just to get some of that snow, the salt, the grime, just clean it, have a refresh. So John Lewis Home, this solid wood, it's easily wipeable. It cleans off so easy. I have a responsibility, my 4-year-old, he takes the shoes out, he cleans, and then he puts all the shoes back away. So it gives him a chore that is age appropriate, and it's so easy to wipe off that it's age appropriate. So if you're looking for something easy to maintain, you still have to put the work in. You still have to tell the kids that they have to do their part still. It's not magic. But if you put in the work on a daily basis by having an easy, efficient system, it'll save your sanity in the mornings when you're trying to get them out for school. You're not searching for shoes, a shoe, a glove. How many times have we been there just this last season? So simple organization, multiple varieties that you can use it. You can take the hall tree off at any time. You can add it at any time. 2 different styles, front and back. You've got the option to have extra storage on top. It's clean lined, so it's not going to look dated in a couple years, and it will hold up to children, to outside, contain the elements of outside into one general area, and it helps the chaos of every day, being a mom, being a busy person in general. that much easier. Take one thing off your plate and simplify it, because that just sounds so wonderful sometimes, doesn't it? So if you're interested in organizing the highest traffic area in your house, coming and going, I would recommend a hall tree, but be sure to look at what the product is made of first and foremost, so it can handle the elements of what's brought in from the shoes outside. This one is John Lewis Home, like I said, and I like the versatility, so I felt like I got more for my money anyway. And I have the option to change my mind later and switch out the front and the back and all that good stuff. So organize your high traffic area, refresh with the spring cleaning, check out John Lewis Home if you're looking for solid wood that will last for durability purposes. And it's clean line, so it's pretty.